PowerCube 6.0. Let's look at the features. We have a mitered frame where each of the corners are mitered, and this makes so we don't have overlapping steel, gives us more uniform interior space and also a uniform exterior of 27 inches on a side. We have two hoist points here and there to make it easy to attach a hoist and lift the PowerCube. We use symmetric tanks for hydraulic oil and for gasoline, and this also provides a stable mounting for the engine plate. So we use vibration isolation, rubber vibration isolators for mounting the engine. We also have a centralized control panel that clusters all of the inputs and outputs and also the controls for the PowerCube. We use a mounting bracket. This is just a 2-inch angle iron here to stabilize the battery, and also another 1/8 inch thick 1x1 angle iron here to mount the solenoid and the relay for the fan. The switch uses a universal type switch. This is a key switch with a 5-position connector on the back, and also it uses a wiring harness, a matching wiring harness for this. So we minimize the amount of extra wiring and make the connections more stable. We use a commercial wiring adapter here, a connector, to connect to the engine connector that comes with these Briggs & Stratton engines. The wiring also, where the solenoid is mounted, it's mounted so it minimizes the run between the batteries and between the battery and the starter. The fan also, we have matching connectors for the fan so that we get more stable connection there. Also, we have a standard kind of a gas filler neck. This is for the fuel. We have a commercial muffler. This is a Briggs & Stratton muffler to make the run quieter. The plumbing is simplified on the back. So we use the large 1-inch plumbing for the suction side, and this goes into our Hydraco pump. This pump has a 3/4 inch 11-tooth spline shaft on it, and so we use a solid coupling to transfer power from the 1-inch engine shaft to the 3/4 inch spline shaft on the pump. The oil cooler mounts with rubber vibration mounts to the expanded steel on the side, just for simple mounting. And we use a thermostatic switch for the oil cooler so that it only cuts on the fan when necessary. The plumbing also, we use the 1-inch on the suction, and a 3/4 inch on the return, and a 1/2 inch on the supply line. This allows the pressure to be delivered without binding